You want to make chicken that'll make your family say, ooh, it's so good? Howard shows us how to make five-star chicken in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Have you ever wondered what makes a five-star restaurant five-star worthy? I have, and I've discovered that it all started back in 1921 when the Michelin Restaurant Guide introduced a star system for rating restaurants. These days, it's not uncommon for us to say that something is five-star worthy when it's really good, just like the recipe we're making today. We begin by dredging chicken breasts in some seasoned flour and sauteing them in butter. Once they're golden on both sides, we take them out and in the same skillet, add some chicken broth, a bit of white wine, some mushrooms that we've quartered, a chopped tomato and onion. We'll let this simmer for a bit before adding the chicken back in and finishing it off with some chopped parsley. Once everything is heated through, just one taste and you'll know why we think this is five-star worthy. Maybe serve it up with some rice pilaf and some steamed or roasted broccoli and you're good to go. To get the recipe for our five-star chicken, head over to our website. You might even want to print out the recipe so you always have it close by. It's that good. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a restaurant fancy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.